What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This is my video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G on the Google Fi cell phone service, on Google's wireless service. Now, they're not a actual network, actual like cellular, network provider, operator provider, but they piggyback off other major carriers and major networks like T-Mobile, US Cellular, used to be Sprint, but if you do have the roaming features, or if you can roam, you will see AT&T and you will see Verizon because of the roaming agreements with T-Mobile and US Cellular with the other two networks, AT&T and Verizon. It's a lot of people don't understand that situation. And then it's a lot of people, they say that their Samsung S20 on Google Fi doesn't network switch, or you can't see other networks. Well, a couple of reasons could be because of T-Mobile 5G is the best network in your area. And not only that, but I haven't seen anyone mention US Cellular's 5G agreement with Google Fi. I know US Cellular has made an agreement with 5G and said that they're going to upgrade their network to the 5G, but nothing on the Google Fi side. But I'm going to show you guys applications that can help you identify which network you're on. As you can see when I drag down, right here, this application called Signal Spy. Let me tap on that and let me expand it. Okay, so as you can see, this is T-Mobile. I am on the T-Mobile network. Now I'm on band 2. This is the 1900 millihertz. And now a lot of people don't understand that because that's the low band. All right, so the technology is LTE, and there's other applications that will show you some stuff totally different. All right, I get that. A lot of people don't get that, but there are a lot of applications on the Google Play Store for Android users that are on Google Fi with other phones like Motorola, Pixels, and Samsungs. These are the only phones as of now. It used to be LG. Used to have an LG G7 and the LG ThinQ V35 that was able to, network switch. I don't know if they do it now. Anybody with a G7 on Google Fi or V35, y'all let me know. But this application will give you the rundown and breakdown of everything that's going on with your network, going on with your app, going on with your service. It will show you the signal strength, the bands, the DBMs, the detection method, the enhanced LTE. You have to activate that actually. The GCI, that's a different number, all right, and the Drive operator, that's the actual network that you're running on. So if it says Sprint, if it says AT&T, if it says Verizon, that's what Google Fi is actually running on. And to be honest, to be truthfully honest, you have to travel. All right, you have to be out and about to even tell whether or not that Google Fi's service is switching networks. And then you'll see like 3 little dots at the top. I'll get into it in a different video, but I just wanted to show you all this particular application. We got menu. Okay, so you got network history. I'm gonna show you my network history. I'm gonna show you that it actually switching networks. Okay, I'm not making this stuff up. What does that say? Verizon. Yep. Matter of fact, today. Matter of fact, it's May 2nd, right? So I've actually was on the Verizon network. It's not going to give you too much information, but it said I switched, and the network ID is different from the T-Mobile's network ID again, and the signal DBM. If it's over 100 minus 100, you got bad signal. I'm gonna let you know right now. And yes, it said roaming. Right here, it says roaming on T-Mobile. It says roaming. Okay, so everyone has to do their research. I mean, unfortunately, shout out to Tito, Aloha Android. He said that US Cellular It's great in the Midwest. I live in the Midwest, and I do pick up US Cellular out here. I'm very shocked, but I don't know anybody personally here in the Midwest that still got US Cellular as their carrier, as their provider. So, I mean, lucky me, right? That I can still get connection to US Cellular, but that's besides the point. I know a lot of you all are pissed on Reddit. I see everybody on Reddit. Oh, it's not network switching. It's not, because you guys are not downloading the damn apps. Download the apps, the Signal apps, okay? You need Signal Spy apps. You need Signal Info apps. I'm gonna go off on y'all because a lot of you all aren't paying attention to us YouTubers that's giving you the info, and we're showing you proof. This is proof, all right? Now you might see, oh, okay, look at this. Another prime example, AT&T. I got AT&T. I was roaming, ladies and gentlemen. My signal DBM was minus 95. That's great. That's great signal, but it showed no mobile data. Don't know why, but and you look at the network ID. It's 310410. Okay? So everyone has to do their research. You got to do the research with the roaming situation, and with Google Fi, it's free to roam. So you don't get charged extra for roaming on Google Fi. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so here we go. You do all this. See, again, it's showing AT&T. Look at the network ID. Roaming, yes. It's roaming. Okay. So I got all, so this Samsung Galaxy S20 5G that I bought from Google Fi is 100% fully unlocked. You wouldn't be able to get all this if it wasn't. I clearly just showed you that I can get all the networks on Google Fi. All right, so let's keep, okay. Wow, look at that. Sprint even showed up. Okay, and yes, it says I'm roaming. And look at that, 310, 120. That is not the same as T-Mobile. Let me show you the T-Mobiles. That's a 310, 260. You gotta look at the network IDs. You gotta look at the signal level and whether or not if it's roaming or if you got data. Okay, now this was early in the morning. I get that. It was based on my location. I was not at home. Okay, it doesn't network switch when I'm at home. When I'm at home, I'm at T-Mobile. Majority of other places, yes, you will see me roaming on not Sprint. I'm shocked that it showed that, but when I'm out and about, I do roam on AT&T, and I will roam on Verizon. And I will have a write-up. I will go into a write-up of a blog about this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing you, I am not hiding nothing. What I got to hide? This is all proof. This is on my cell phone right now. I would show Verizon, and I would show, what is it? So Verizon, and I would show AT&T, right? AT&T. Okay, like I said, I got lucky with that Sprint. But as you can see, it's showing all the major networks. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G is updated. You can tell this is a Galaxy phone. Right now, it's saying 4G because of the low band. Everyone has to do their research about 5G and 4G and the differences and all that stuff like that. And look at the data. I ain't even used 2 gigs yet. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like y'all attacking me in the comment sections. I don't like you all attacking me in these social media messages. You know what I'm saying? I live in a different area. You know where I live at? I'm gonna show you where I live at. Show them where East St. Louis, Illinois. I live in East St. Louis, Illinois. Technically a rural area, basically. Sorry, you don't live out of East St. Louis in a rural area, but I guarantee you, if I was in St. Louis, it'd be doing the same thing. Okay? In Belleville, Illinois, I already did a video of Belleville and Fairview. I did speed tests with T-Mobile. I showed you guys what the speeds were. Y'all thought I was playing. Y'all thought I was lying. I guess I gotta show you guys the links again. But let me just show you all the other apps I got. All right, Firework. This application is called Firework. Okay, so look, it gives me the option to turn to Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular, or 3 in UK. Okay, you can change it to Fire Auto Switch. Basically, turn the auto switch on. At the bottom, it says Fire On. Okay, you go to the settings. Technically, Fowler should be your phone's default dollar. You have to give these applications the permissions. You have to allow to get permissions to your phone. Okay? So I guess everybody's stuck in the Stone Ages about that situation. I remember back in the day, people freaked out about permissions. But if you do not give these applications permissions to work in the background or to work like they're supposed to work, yes, you're going to be on Reddit and Facebook crying and whining to Google and whoever else. You're going to be doing that. Because people on Discord and Telegram, they're not coming to me like that. Sorry. Maybe you guys need to follow people on Discord and Telegram. That's facts. I got Telegram. They got my Discord right there. Ready. This is what it is. But okay, Fire Switch. Now, one time it did show me 5G band 66. I didn't mean to do that, but okay. Yeah, here we go. Prime example right here. 66. It shows you band 66. Get the Fire Switch. All right. That's another application you might want to check out to see the true connection. The MNC SIM. That number, that's the real number. That's what you need to be following. Okay? That's the real number you need to be following. The MNC SIM number. 310-260. That's T-Mobile. All right? Now, look here. Okay? Look here. It dropped from 5G to LTE. It's going to do that. When you travel, it's going to do that, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, look. It's showing you all my connections. Airplane mode. I tested on airplane mode. Look here. US Cellular. Band 12. Ladies and gentlemen. And that says that's roaming on AT&T. Because guess who else got band 12? T-Mobile. Guess who else got band 12? Verizon. You guys got to do your research. I'm not making this stuff up, man. The applications are on the Google Play Store for those on Samsung phones from Google Fi and Android. All right, here's another one. This one clearly said US Cellular 5G 1:47 a.m. Okay, I had to go to another spot, but it piggybacked off of T-Mobile. Okay, and it is showing the MNC net 310-260. And it said mobile data was active, call state was idle. Okay, all right, and then it was one before that. It was showing Sprint. So who's to say what's what? If you believe it, you believe it. If you don't, you don't. I mean, to be honest, yes, I do agree with most people. Google Fi isn't for everybody. But if you want to stay connected and you want to have some type of service, whether it's for call, talk, or text, or data, then Google Fi is it. Because it got all the networks, as you guys can see on each of those applications. Now, I'm going to show you guys another app. It's called Open Signal. Now, look, Open Signal shows 5G Google Fi. Okay? Okay, it's telling me no data available. Okay, so let me go here. Let's go to the map. Here's where I'm located. Okay. Now, for some reason, they don't have it updated. Look, they're showing Boost, Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, FirstNet, SNED Mobile. Y'all go to SNED Mobile about FirstNet. Talk to SNED Mobile Tech about FirstNet. All right. Open Signal is another application I recommend you all. All right. So here we go. All right. And then one more. Signal Info. Signal Info. It's simple. It's simple to use. As you can see, for Signal Info, it's only been showing T-Mobile and Wi-Fi and airplane mode, no data, no Wi-Fi, T-Mobile data. It's showing 2G, 3G, 4G, 4G LTE. You know, it's giving me all the history. All right. It depends on which one you believe in. Okay. And for speed tests, of course, the speed test application. All right. So I'm going to go change that because that's too far out. Let me go to... I'll go to the one in Waterloo. Right now, you see the 5G Google Fi. And these are my speeds on the low bands. Okay, on the low bands. On the bands, was it 2, band 4? If you're not on band, look, once again, like I said in the previous video, if you're not on band 66, band N41, band 71, you're not going to get those high speeds. Now, I do have screenshots I can actually personally show you. Let me see. I was showing, what was it? I was showing, let me see. Where's the one about Sprint? Here we go. Boom, here we go. 26. Remember, everybody, look, what the derived operator? Remember? Derived operator Sprint. Now, I know you guys can't see at the top, but at the top it even has the Sprint logo. So, it's showing Sprint, band's 26. Remember back in the day, Sprint band was 26, 25, and 41. Remember that, ladies and gentlemen. All right? So, everybody got to go back and do their research. Go back to the history of Sprint. Go back to the history of T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon, and UScellular. And then, once you figure out that, then you'll understand Google Fi and the network switching and all that. It's only going to switch if your signal is weak. If it's weak and you can't get no service, it's going to switch. But if you can't get it to switch, get the Signal Spy app, drop down, make it auto. Or, let me go back to that app. Let me go back to the Signal Spy app. Go back here, go to the main menu. Okay, go to the dollar codes. Let me see. Help sources, I believe. Yeah. So here we go. You got that chat Discord. You got Reddit. You got beta. You got contact support. You got getting started. All right. So here we go. The dollar codes info. And you're probably going to find it on the website. So here you go. You got support right here. You got more. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Force jump to Sprint. You got force jump to T-Mobile. Force jump to next carrier. You got turn on auto switch. You got repair bad activation. You got current network info. You go to Google Help Filer. And this is from back in 2015. So Google Fi been out for practically 6 years. And people still ain't getting it. That's crazy. Wow. Wow. That's all I got to say to all you all. Wow. I'm the guru. Y'all know me, bro. Y'all know I'm the guru. I'm going to give you the full info. I ain't clickbait. I'm showing y'all the real deal. I'm showing y'all that my Samsung phone did all that. All right, I'm on the Samsung phone right now. It did all that. I got all the applications. The last couple of videos has been about my Galaxy phone on the Google Fi, as you can see. Okay, I'm at home right now. But when I'm out and about, it network switches. It switches on its own. Now, it's hard for me to try to record that while it's trying to switch. All right, but I got plenty of screenshots. I will make a full freaking blog about this. All right, I know this video was long, but I just had to throw it out there. A lot of people are scamming Reddit and Facebook. It is what it is. But I'm not scamming. I'm not no clickbait. I'm the real deal. 2 phones for free. Follow your boy, subscribe. Any more questions, leave the questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.